Okay, y'all, unfortunately, I'm giving away so much stuff, it would not all fit in the last video. And I was talking so fast, I was making myself crazy. I was like, I still couldn't finish. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is make this a two-part giveaway video set. So you're going to have to watch both videos just because to see what you got and then how to get it. Because I thought, well, I'll just call this one, the first one I'll call Summer Giveaway, Part 1, What You Get. And this will be Summer Giveaway Part 2, How to Win. How about that? But it's not just how to win. I still have stuff to show you. It's big stuff. Alright, so I'm going to keep going so I don't lose time. Anyway, so I showed you all the, I think the makeup products. Oh, at the end I kind of spun through this one. This is a little jewelry item that I'm giving you. I'm already giving you a cross necklace. But I decided to give you something from WAR International. And WAR stands for Women at Risk, and it's another, like Noonday Collection, that helps people who've been trafficked, sex trafficked or human slavery trafficked from other countries. It gives them, they get rescued by WAR International, and then they're given a living. They're given a way to make jewelry so that they can sell things and make a living. And therefore, if they can't really be rescued out of their community, at least the community respects them and will go easy on them. This is the way it is sometimes in the world, y'all. I'm sorry. But the ones that they rescue and bring into this country and get them in a safe house, they still have to have a living. They have to, you know, develop a new life. And so you got to have a job and a way to sustain yourself for the sake of, first of all, taking care of yourself, and also for the sake of self-respect and dignity. So one of the things that they do is they help them learn to make jewelry. They try to get them into college if they can, but some are just not college candidates, and meaning it's probably not going to help them much to go to college as far as being able to quickly take care of themselves. So they may teach them a trade, and one of the trades they teach is making jewelry. Oh, I hate to part with these, but they're so pretty. I want to really encourage you guys to get involved. So I will be commenting below in both Noonday, which is where this jewelry comes, and WAR International, which is where this jewelry comes. Look at these beautiful smoke-colored crystals. That would be so pretty with black, blue, different. It'd be pretty with this, and then these other little, these really interesting beads, y'all. I want to give them away, but I love them so much. But anyway, look, it's got these beautiful little decorations, black onyx, and then these little squares turned sideways so they're like diagonal, and they're like diamond shaped, and they're so beautiful. But then they also made this beautiful necklace, and I couldn't give you the earrings without the matching necklace, so I'm giving you the necklace too. And I think I just made a big knot out of it. No, 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 no. Don't be a knot. Don't be a knot. Oh, phew. Okay. Where's the end of it? Where is the end of it? Is there an end? Maybe there isn't an end. Alright, well, you could wear this either this way and have just the simple little silver dot beads and just this, or you can wear it this way and it's got more of these little, you know, that match the earrings, the little diamond squares things. Very, very pretty. And then also this little bracelet. I just got to thinking, this is defacing money, which I don't think you're allowed to do. I guess the government would be on these people if it was wrong, but I got this at a Christian bookstore. But it says worthy. You are worthy. He is worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be saved because he says so. And I just love this. And I think with all this black, it'd be very, very pretty. I hope it's okay that that's written on a penny. Maybe it was a penny somebody threw away. I don't know. Anyway, so there's a necklace. If you feel it's wrong, you can throw it away. And if you can't wear pierced ears, give it away. Give it away. Alright, so, then you're getting, what did I do with the little pouch? Oh, well, I'll find it later. What was the other thing I wanted to show y'all? The Coach handbag. We went over the Bible, we went over the devotional, we went over a makeup pouch, we went through the Norvina palette, we went through the cross necklace, we went through this necklace and earring set, we went through what was in the makeup pouch that is so pretty. Everything's kind of blue, y'all. And oh my gosh, so many good things, just so many good things. And I totally forgot you were giving away a Coach handbag. Alright, so now this, just so y'all know, I got this from a outlet. And so, I did not pay full $300 price. I guess I paid around $100 for this. And a lot of times when things go to outlets, there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. They produced, and they send them to certain approved outlets to sell them at a very reduced price. So I got it at a reduced price. Do y'all mind? I hope not. All right, so it looks to me like it's the Rogue. I keep forgetting to look it up. Does it say? No, it doesn't say. All right. But anyway, it's got the famous Coach lining interior. It's got a zipper closure. And I haven't undone all this, but I will and put it together for you. But it also has its little lock and key, and its signature Coach hang tag. That's a really pretty one. Beautiful. But I'll put it together for you. And then what I won't do is I won't put this on the bag. I'll leave this inside. This is just the shoulder strap. So this is a great, let me see what's in it. There's the Coach logo down in there. And I don't want to expand it out. See how it's, oh, it's also got the little gold feet on the bottom, which I love. Such a pretty summer bag. I'm sorry it's so late in the summer. You could wear this into early fall, and you could wear it in the spring. You can wear this year round if you want. It's just a beautiful kind of turquoisey powder blue, I guess you would call it. Is that what you would call it? It's not periwinkle. There's no purple in it. But anyway, so you get a Coach handbag. You get a leather Jesus Bible. That's the name of it, Jesus Bible. Meaning it's got commentaries about Jesus in it. And it'll come in its box so you can read about, you know, who wrote this, who wrote these inserts. It's in the NIV translation. Y'all know that Anastasia came out with the Norvina palette. This is mine because I bought one for you and one for me, so I have done a tutorial using this. I did a Bible study for you guys using the Bible, and so it got a little makeup on it. So I actually plan to keep this and go get you a brand new one anyway because I am really enjoying this. The inserts on this, and they're really good teaching because there's good study helps that helps you to teach as well. Bree, that's enough. So what do you have to do? When you look at my channel banner, there's some little icons in the top right hand corner. One of the things that you're going to need to do is comment below the name of someone you got to subscribe to my channel. Now, if you don't know anybody, or some of you are like my regular subscribers that we talk, there's probably 20 or 30 of you, we talk in the comments. I know lately I've been behind, but, and I know you, and you may, a couple of you said, look, Beth, I'm a shut-in, or I am physically disabled to the point that I can't get out. Just say that in the comment below. I'm going to count on honesty for those of you who really cannot get another subscriber. For the rest of you, of course, I'm trying to build my channel. YouTube raises requirements all the time to even be on the air. So I need to build it or I may lose the channel. So, I don't care about numbers. I don't care if it's 20 of you and we talk back and forth. Actually, I really enjoy that. Or if there's 10,000 of you. I really don't care. I'm not even sure I'd want to be one of those million subscriber people because I think YouTube kind of puts clamps on them on what they're to do to get there. I don't know. I don't know how it all works. But I don't want anybody shutting me down on what I can say or can't say as far as, not being hateful or ugly, but being able to talk about Jesus because I'm going to. I love talking about makeup and hair and fashion and nails and all that kind of fun girly stuff. But the essence of who I am and the most important message I can give you is consider Jesus Christ. And if you want to have any questions, anything, comment below, put what your questions are, whatever, we'll talk about it. That's a lot more important than a contest. But I do need to drive the channel, okay? So I hope you guys understand that. And y'all, those of you who know me, well, you don't know my heart. Only God knows my heart. But y'all know my personality. I think you know me well enough to know she's just trying to get subscribers. Well, I am trying to get subscribers, so still going to see who wins. But anyway, so comment below the name of someone that is, and you may need to put Susie Jones or my friend Susie if you don't want to put someone's name out there, and their name that I'm going to recognize them when they win. So, like in other words, I may be Beth Buchanan, but my name in my social media is B. Buchanan because the N wouldn't fit on. But anyway, so go up to my little hot pink banner up there, and you'll see the Facebook and you'll see the Instagram icons. It's not asking too much. This is a huge giveaway. Nobody supports me. Nobody sponsors me. I buy this all myself, so I'm not trying to promote some brand. But I feel like it's a really good package, a really good giveaway, and I feel like it's not asking too much for you to click a button or two up there to go over and support my social media that helps support my YouTube channel. So I will have a picture on Instagram of the Bible and maybe something else. Maybe the Bible and Norvina. Maybe I'll do that. I need to look up what Norvina means first. I hope it wouldn't be a conflict of interest or something. But anyway, or maybe I'll put this in the coaching bag or something. But you'll see the blue. You'll see summer giveaway there, and also on my Facebook. And you need to put who you are and say, I wanna win. Just put I wanna win and your name in that post on Instagram and in that post on my Facebook channel. Now I have a personal Facebook, but the one I'm driving you to is my YouTube Facebook, which is Beth Buchanan Fashion, Glamour, and Bling. Oh my. It's long. You can't miss it once you start typing it in. You'll go over there, I want to win, and you're going to put it right under my link, the video to this link, comment below that link. Same thing with the Instagram. You'll see the picture. It'll be very, very clear, and you'll see in there a driver back over to YouTube. That's all it does. And also comment below if y'all feel I should start doing things more through Twitter. I don't know how much people are that into Twitter for my channel, but if I need to drive Twitter to be able to talk to y'all, especially during the day, like if I ever want to do a live video and I want to tweet out doing a live video, so that if y'all will subscribe to my Twitter channel, and maybe I'll do something to do that, so that when I announce I'm going to do a live video, or I'm going to offer this or this giveaway, you'll get a tweet if you tweet, and maybe you'll start tweeting. Anyway, there's a lot of tweeting going on out there. So anyway, that is what we're going to do. Again, this is part 2, and so we're ending at just the right time. So remember, you have to watch part 1 to see what you get, part 2 to see how to enter, and you need to be going over to my Instagram and my Facebook and commenting below also. I'll put the directions also in the part 2 video, this one, to remind you all of this, okay? So anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and I hope you win. We're going to only turn around